Hey, clothes horse.
Sorry, Nelly. Can't you see I'm grazing?
I just wanted to let you know that I went ahead and designed our outfit. I just love how dull the brown is, don't you? It's hilarious. Don't worry. I'll tell everyone we collabed on it. My main girl. You'll get all the credit.
I am not pinning my name to this abomination. Stand aside.
Okay, we can still do this. What if the dress was made out of, like, a gas or a liquid? Is that possible?
Sure. Liquid dress.
Don't forget, Nova, you still really need to say sorry to Kid Songwriter. If you don't, I'm not sure he'll write with you again.
He doesn't write with me. I write my songs. He just does half the music and words. Maybe the dress could be like a mirror ball, but not round. I don't want to roll down the red carpet.
Round. Gotcha.
Let me summon Kid Songwriter. Then you can just quickly pop in and say you're sorry.
Fine. Yeah, whatever.
Great. Calling Kid Songwriter. Kid Songwriter, good news. Nova has something she'd like to say to you.
Oh. Quite like this music, Nula. Is this one of yours?
Yes, it's my new hit single, Me, Myself, and Me, Me, Me. Written by me, myself, and me, me. Oops. Hey, KS.
Nova, what is taking so long?
Almost done. Clothes Horse is just about to reveal our new design.
Jeez. So, you, fetch my glasses. There, come on, clip, clop, giddy up.
Hey, McLaren, how are you?
Captain, what are you doing?
Your guest needed a table, so...
Right.
Some dramatic reveal music, please. Calling Kid Songwriter.
Nova, he's not coming, remember?
Oh, yeah. I forgot. Oh, well, his loss.
Oh, me back.
Now, Nina, I know you didn't want to look like a horse. Bit rude, but okay. I give you the opposite of a horse. There you go.
How is this the opposite of a horse?
Oh, isn't it obvious? You're a jockey.
Okay. We're done. You are the worst collaboration list ever. You ignore my ideas. You avoid work. You turn my crew into furniture. But do you know what the worst part is? You keep forgetting my name.
Oh, I can't collaborate. I never could. I thought this was a party invitation, not a job. But then it became my big chance for everyone to see Nino Nelva Jones in a Clothes Horse original. All I had to do was keep you busy until time was up, and then you'd forget about this ridiculous collab and leave me to my genius. But no! You had to be Little Miss Collaboration, and now I'm frustrated and everything I make is dreadful. So excuse me. I'm off to steal the sugar lumps from all the little bowls in the diner.
Well, that's it. It's almost unforgivably unfashionably 8 o'clock. If Clothes Horse had agreed to collab, we could have done something amazing. Instead, she just treated me like I treated Kid Songwriter. He's not coming back, is he?
No, he isn't.
I really miss being able to just go calling Kid Songwriter. And he'd be there to bounce ideas off. I know we co-write our songs. I should have let everybody know. He was generous and talented. The best collab buddy in the universe. If he was still here, we'd show Clothes Horse how great a collab can be.
They say teamwork makes the dream work, and I can tell you that's true. We a team of winners. You know that we never gonna lose. Put your hands in the sky. We blocking out the haters, yeah. Tell them we say goodbye. We won't see you later. Us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. Us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. You know we gon' figure it out, 'cause you know that we only started. Yeah, us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding.
They were home, where they were safe and warm and cozy.
All my favorite people. I'm nothing when I'm without you. Put your hands in the sky. We blocking out the haters, yeah. Tell them we say goodbye. We won't see you later. Us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. Us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. You know we gon' figure it out, 'cause you know that we always started. Yeah, us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. We all got our roles to play. It's up to us to pave the way. Us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. Us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding. You know we gon' figure it out, 'cause you know that we always started. Yeah, us, ourselves, and we can do anything, ding, ding, ding.
Still no sign of Nova Jones at the Comet Gala, despite fashionably late, finishing in 3, 2, wait! A scrunched up paper dream dress. Fabulous, Nova! Just fabulous! Who are you wearing?
It's a cloho, no joke. A close horse, Nova Jones collab. Together at last.
Oh, goodness, Nova, your dress is amazing.
Congratulations, Nova!
I won! Thank you! I want to thank all the Novalites out there. And there's someone else I really want to thank. Calling Kid Songwriter! This is Kid Songwriter. He's written so many songs with me. P.S. I'm sorry I took you for granted. I'd only be half a pop star without you.